everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Ubuntu official website and download it. It is ubuntu.com. Click on download Ubuntu, then we have to select desktop, server or other options. In this video I am going to download and install Ubuntu desktop. So click on this desktop and click on this download Ubuntu desktop. Then see here we have the Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 6.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Next, then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse to select the downloaded Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version, LTS ISO file. See here I have the Ubuntu 26.04 desktop ISO image. Select it. Next, now personalize Linux. Give any user full name, then username. Now we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location where you have the enough space. Provide virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Next, see, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize any one of this one, you have to click on customize hardware. Then you have to change. Okay, don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings. Or if you want to provide description, just you have to click on here and you can provide the description for this virtual machine. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Select the language and click on next. Accessibility, next. Select the keyboard layout and click on next. Connect to internet, use wired connection or do not connect. I want to use wired connection, it is up to you. Then click on next. Now see here we have the two options. Try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Install Ubuntu is permanent, try Ubuntu is temporary. Okay, that is just for testing purpose. Then click on next. Type of installation, interactive installation or automated with auto install a file, automated with landscape. Okay, click on next. I am going with interactive installation. Next, applications, default selection or extended selection. In extended selection, see here we have the office tools, utilities and web browser. Okay, select next. If you want to install recommended proprietary software, select the check boxes. Okay, it is up to you. Then click on next. See, this is a fresh installation. So in disk setup, I am going to select erase disk and install Ubuntu. Then click on next. Encryption and file system, no encryption or encrypt with a passphrase or use a hardware backed encryption. Then click on next. Now we have to create user. I'm giving username as R2 schools and this is the computer name or host name. I am giving, later also you can change it. Then click on next. Now we have to select the time zone. You can select on the globe or you can search here. Then click on next. See, these are the choices that we have selected for this Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version virtual machine. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation completed. Restart now. Click on restart now. Or if you want to use for testing purpose, click on continue testing. I want to restart now. Click on it. Click on username and provide the password. Welcome to Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. Click on next. Want to turn on this location services, you have to turn on like this. It is up to you. Then click on next. I am going with all these defaults. Click on next. Select the style and accent color. I am going with the defaults. Then click on next. All done. Click on finish. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Select the palette from this list. Turn on this one, then increase the font size. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed 26.04 and its Ubuntu code name is Resolute. Now update the packages. Control F sudo apt update absent sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. All packages are updated. If you want to verify IP of this machine, use ifconfig. ifconfig not found, so you can get the IP address by running IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay. Now you can also install this NetTools. Sudo apt install NetTools. It is done. if config. See, we got the IP address. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version on VMware Workstation. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.